all are fit and fine. Welcome to our value education class. Today we are going to discuss lesson 3, responsible citizenship. Okay, what is citizenship? Citizenship is the state of being a citizen of a particular country. The legal status of a citizen as a member of a state means the person is a member of a state, including its rights, responsibilities and even privileges. Okay, if you are also a citizen of any country, then you enjoy the membership of that country, including its rights, its responsibilities and privileges, children. Okay, now an example of citizenship is someone being born in the country, suppose United States, and having to access all the same freedoms and rights as those already who are in the United States. Okay, children, one example I am going to tell you of citizenship is that if someone is born in the country United States and having access to all the same freedoms and rights as those already who are living in the United States. Okay, children. Now, children, who is an Indian citizen? Yes, an Indian citizen is a person who shows relationship between the individual and the country India. Okay, now students, today we are going to see the importance of being a responsible citizen by expressing love through service for the country. Okay, now let us read the quote first. Citizenship consists in the service of the country. It is said by Jawaharlal Nehru. This is a famous quote by Jawaharlal Nehru, which tells us that citizenship means belongingness to one's country, and for every citizen the honor of the country comes first. Okay, understood, children? Now, the values which we will learn from this lesson will be citizenship, national consciousness, national integration and patriotism. Okay, now let us read. Okay, time to start. How many members are there in your family? Count all your cousins, uncles, aunts and other relatives too. Do you know all the members of your family? Maybe not, but they are still part of your family. Just as you are a member of your family, you are a citizen of your country. A citizen is a person who is a member of the country. You may not know all the citizens of your country, but the bond of citizenship brings everyone together. Now here, children, it is said that your family, including your cousins, uncles, aunts and other relatives too, even though you know them all as members of your family, but they are also the citizen of our country India. But there are people who you don't know also, okay, but still they are part of your family, because just as your member of your family, you are a citizen of your country also, and other people are also the member of your country, okay. So every person who is living in your country, that is India, is a citizen of India, okay. And this bond of citizenship brings you all together, everyone together, okay. As a part of India, the benefits you derive from being a citizen of the country are protection in various ways: roads, hospitals, schools, parks, etc., and even right to vote and education and many others, okay. And we should be proud of our country India and see all the things that made India great, okay. Now let us read further. Being a citizen means we get to enjoy rights of our country, gives us, while at the same time it also means shouldering the responsibility which comes along with the rights. For example, our country protects us in various ways, such as through defense or police services. In return, we must abide by the laws of the country and protect it from any trouble. We must bring pride and honor to the country by our actions, okay. The same thing which I have just told you, okay. Now alongside responsible citizenship comes the value of an integrated nation also. This means that people from different communities consider themselves as Indians first and live together peacefully, no matter what their differences are. We are different in different ways, but remember what we have in common. We are all Indians first. Now here also, children, it is said that we as a citizenship come from the value of an integrated nation. Integrated means together, okay, or united. This means that even though people are from different communities, having different castes, having different religions or different cultural values, they themselves are Indians first, okay, and we live together peacefully, no matter what the differences we have within us, okay. And we must remember that even though we are different in many ways, but we have something in common, that is we are all Indians first, okay, children. You know that unity in diversity, okay, and we should show the love for our country, okay. Now let's read further. The first story shows us a boy who is filled with the spirit of service to his country and proudly believes in national integration. The second story shows us a boy who thinks poorly of his country and constantly complains about it. Which kind of boy would you want to be? Which one would you consider your model, okay. Now let's read the first story, okay. time to read, serving my country. Excuse me, young man, said the elderly gentleman. I just wanted to know thank you for all the helps you have given. Thapar immediately stood up and greeted Mr. Sen, who would soon be leaving the island to join his family in Kolkata. Don't mention it, sir. I was glad to help, said Thapar, a little embarrassed by the compliment. Mr. Sen smiled. Where is the other young man, your friend Yamaguchi? Now here, children, there is one person, okay, Mr. Sen, and he has come to thank Mr. Thapar, okay, and he is glad to meet Mr. Thapar, and he is asking about his friend Mr. Yamaguchi also when he meets Mr. Thapar, okay. Now let's see what happens here in the story and what is the conversation further going, okay. He is in the other tent operating the HAM radio and just getting the messages ready to be sent, said Thapar, okay. Now where is Yamaguchi right now? Yamaguchi is there in the other tent where he is working, where he is operating the HM radio. Children, Thapar and Yamaguchi were part of team of HM radio operators who were helping people in the aftermath of the tsunami. Most other modes of communication were not working. The HM radio operators linked up all over the country to help those affected. They provided information about the missing members or the dislocated families. Now children, here one word is there, tsunami, okay. What do you mean by tsunami? Tsunamis are the great giant waves caused by earthquakes or volcanic eruptions under the sea, okay. Tsunamis travel at a very high speed up to 500 miles an hour in the open ocean and rise to heights of several hundred feet as they come to shore, okay. They can cause widespread devastation in the coastal areas. This happens because of the earthquakes or volcanic eruptions under the sea floor, okay. Tsunamis happen because of this. It can kill many people around in the thousands at a time and can destroy buildings along the coast also, okay. In this story also, children, there was tsunami which was taken place there in where they were working, Thapar and Yamaguchi, okay, and they were helping those people who were affected in this tsunami. They were providing information about the missing or dislocated families which were suffering due to tsunami, okay children. They were providing the information about these missing members, okay. Now let us read further, children. Tell me, asked Mr. Sen, why do you do this work? Life in the relief camp is not easy. Well, sir, said Thapar, I just feel that I ought to help my country and my people. I can't sit back and relax when people here are so much in need of help. They have gone through so much pain. I feel I owe it to my country. Now here children, Mr. Sen is asking to Mr. Thapar that why are you doing this work of helping the people? He is asking that the life in the relief camp is not easy. Then why are you working here? But Thapar said that I just feel that I ought or I am born to help my country and my people, and he cannot sit back and relax when the people here are so much in trouble or they need help. Okay, they have gone through such a pain, he is saying, and he feels to be devoted to his country. Okay, and this shows us that Thapar has the value of patriotism for his country. Okay, it's nice to know that there are still people who care for the country so much, exclaimed Mr. Sen. Thapar laughed. Well, long ago when Yamaguchi and I first met, he gave me a radio made in Japan. I was very happy and took good care of it. Unfortunately, it suddenly stopped working. Yamaguchi was so upset by it. He sent it back to the company, and the company sent me a very courteous letter apologizing for the flaw. They promised to investigate the cause of the failure and sent me another radio, their latest model. I remember my surprise first at Yamaguchi's reaction and then at the reaction of the company too. He took so much pride in the radio made in his country. I suppose some of that sense of pride in one's country has rubbed off on me. I learned to see all the things that make India great. I love my country and I express that love through service. It is the youth like you who hold the future of our country in their hands. I am glad to see that we leave our country in capable hands like yours. Smile, Mr. Sen. Now here children, Thapar is saying how they had become a good friends, okay, or the great friends, Thapar and Yamaguchi, okay. Thapar had got a gift from Yamaguchi, and what had Yamaguchi gifted Thapar? He had given a radio which was made in Japan, okay, and Thapar was also happy and took good care of it. But unfortunately one day the radio stopped working and Yamaguchi was also upset to know that. Sent the radio back to his company, and the company sent him a very courteous letter about apologizing for the flaw or the mistake which they had found in the radio, okay, as it had stopped working. Now they promised to investigate the cause for the failure of that radio and sent him another radio also. Okay children, the company had sent the another radio which was the latest model, okay, of that radio. And here also he felt that Yamaguchi was also so much proud of his radio which was made in his country. So this was an example which he shared with Mr. Sen, and he said that it also created a sense of pride in me for India also. Okay, and I also love my country India, and I express that love through my service. Thapar is saying to that Mr. Sen. Okay, and Mr. Sen is greeting with a smile that it is the youth like you who hold the future of our country in their hands, and he is glad to see that we leave our country in the capable hands like you. Okay children, now here in the story children, we have learned that we should help people in case of any disaster, because it shows a concern for the people who are suffering. It is a sign of humanity. Thapar came to help the people who were suffering in the tsunami, because he felt that he had to help his country and its people when they needed help. Okay children? Children, we should abide by the laws of our country. We should learn to love for country can be expressed through dedication and service. Also remember children, the importance of patriotism and the national consciousness. You also get inspired from the lives of the dynamic and the thoughtful leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Swami Vivekananda. Okay, and children, to bring pride and honor to the country should be made by your actions. Okay, and we have learned that we should be proud of our country India and see all the things that made our country India great. Okay, now here we have come to the end of our session. Thank you.